This is the Andar Apollo Bifold Wallet, and today I'm going to be reviewing it. The good folks over at Andar sent me this as a way to say, thanks for being you, but also, can you let us know what you think about this wallet? So big thanks to them. They sent me this for free, but I am going to give it an honest review. But first, I want you to see the unboxing. So I want to show you inside the wallet. I've actually removed my driver's license because I don't want you to hunt me down and kill me, but this is where it goes and it can slide in and out of that very easily. There's also a money clip right here, which you can see comes in and out. You can also put lots of dollar bills, y'all, in there if you want. There is also credit card slots here, which I have my trusty Chase Sapphire Preferred Visa, which there is a link in the description below. There's a couple of little hidden features about this that I really like. One is that there is a slot that keeps your card completely out of view, which is kind of nice. And then you pull on this little tab and it comes out very easily. Then there is another place where you can store receipts or an additional card if you want to. So I want to tell you the things that I like and the things that I don't like, and then I want to give you an overall recommendation. Now first, what do I not like? Let's start there. The only two things that I feel like are knocks on this wallet are, number one, the leather can get a little smudgy, and I'm seeing that it might just be part of the design where it's designed to kind of take a little bit of wear and then have that kind of leathery, that leathery, worn look, which is kind of cool. But right now it's just smudgy, but it might just be part of the design. The other thing that I don't love is that it's just a little bit larger than what I prefer in a wallet. I tend to like a very minimalist approach, and so this is just a little bit wider and a little bit thicker, especially with the money clip, than I prefer in my pants, because it's not that my jeans are skinny, it's that I'm not. I've used that joke before. That said, there is much to love about this wallet. First of all, I love that they make such great use of space. Even with what I said, that it's a little bit larger than what I tend to prefer in a wallet, it actually has really great efficiency of space. So you can put a lot in this wallet and it's still a relatively small wallet. The other thing I really like about it is that it doesn't have a compartment like a lot of billfolds where you open them and then there's a place where you can put a lot of stuff. I like that it doesn't have that because it keeps me from filling it up with receipts from 7 years ago when I got a 7-Eleven slushie, and I don't need that receipt in my wallet anymore, and it causes it to be too thick. So I like that it kind of reduces that tendency to stuff your wallet, which is why I went minimalist with my wallets to begin with. I like that you can easily access your driver's license and you can see the whole thing without having to take it out. Like if you need to show your ID, you can see the ID right there without having to take it out in most cases, which is kind of nice. I like the slot that you can easily pull out cards with, which is pretty cool. And I like the way it looks and I like the way it feels in my hand. The other thing is, and this is going back to one of my cons, because it is a little bit larger than what I'm used to, I can actually feel it in my pocket. So I'm not constantly trying to wonder, is it there, is it not there? I can easily feel that yes, my wallet is indeed still on me and no one has taken it. So overall, I recommend this wallet actually highly because it is a really good looking wallet. It's solid, it feels good in my hand, it feels good in my pocket, and it meets all the needs that you have, which these days is mostly for cards, without being anything more than what it really needs to be. So I appreciate the simplicity and the design and the styling, and a few hidden features that I feel like add a nice little touch to it that set it apart from other wallet. So if you're interested in checking out the Andar, which I highly would recommend, they have a whole bunch of wallets, not just the Apollo, click on the link below in the description and you can see for yourself and try one out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and check out this video for my minimalist everyday carry if you're curious about what else I carry in my pocket. So I'll see you in that video to talk about all of that right now. So go ahead and click, just give a little tap, and I'll see you in there.